Experience the charm of China Grove at Liberty Grove with new single-family homes. Nestled in a convenient location near I-85, this community offers easy access to Concord, Kannapolis, and the university area, providing the ideal blend of tranquility and connectivity. Welcome to a community where you'll feel right at home, with charming sidewalk-lined streets and inviting common areas. Let your kids enjoy the playground, making new friends along the way. Bring your dog to the dog park to burn off some energy and meet fellow pet owners. At Liberty Grove, we're not just building homes, we're fostering a vibrant sense of community. When it comes to finding your perfect home, we offer a variety of floor plans to suit every lifestyle. Our homes feature up to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 2.5 bathrooms, and up to 2,100 square feet of living space. Plus, each home includes all essential appliances, even the washer and dryer. Lawn maintenance is also included, saving you both time and money, so you can spend more time doing what you love. Plus, one of the most thrilling parts of building a new home is the chance to personalize every detail, from the cabinets and flooring to the countertops and more. Convenience is also a big factor when you're looking for a new home, but we have you covered here. Your new home will be less than 1 mile from I-85, giving you quick access to the university area, Concord, Kannapolis, Salisbury, and Uptown Charlotte. Plus, everyday conveniences like grocery stores, Walgreens, and more are within 5 minutes of home. Or head to downtown China Grove to experience small-town charm at the local shops, restaurants, and even a brewery. If you're picturing your life here and want to know how to learn more, schedule a personalized visit today. We look forward to welcoming you home.